Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit in Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a small cap stock where Vijay Kedia has silently accumulated 10.53% of the company. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is Affordable Robotics and Automation Limited, which is available at Rs 106.00 and the face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is AFFORDABLE. Now this is an SME stock which recently got listed on the BSE SME exchange. The company is engaged in the business of providing turnkey automation solutions to automotive, semi-automotive and manufacturing industries. Now, as is evident from the 1-year chart, the company had a huge spike after listing, but since then has been on a slow downtrend. Over the last couple of days, however, there has been a spike when news of Vijay Kedia's entry has got out. Now at the end of the June quarter, Vijay Kedia held no stake in the company. However, at the end of the September quarter, his stake has ballooned to 10.53%. The market cap of the company is 107.90 crores, which indicates that the company is a borderline stock between a micro cap and a small cap. The EPS of 3.89 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 27.2493, which is much cheaper when compared with the industry PE. However, it's important to remember here is that it has no direct comparables as far as the listed space is concerned. The book value of 15.55 translates into an expensive price to book ratio of 6.82. Now, being an SME stock, this is traded in lots and the market lot here is 1600. The debt to equity is also a bit high at 1.30. Now, the company does not pay out any dividends. However, the promoter holding is a strong factor for the company and stands at a figure of 61.40%. Now, friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.